Unfortunately, now the bottom of the pyramid has disappeared. This is because you have created another off by one error, which means a miscalculation rather, either be it included something or has been excluded something, in the sense of an error. It says your original loop went for I values from 0 to 7 because count is 8, because we have a count variable that has a value of 8. And your condition requires I to be less than count. So our condition has now be an I or any number that is less than 8. So it says your loop is now running I values from 1 to 7 because it should be less than 8, or the count variable, which is 8. Your loop needs to be updated to run when I is 8 too. Looking at your logic, this means your loop should run when I is less than or equal to count, which is 8. You can use the less than or equal to operator, which is this one, less than or equal operator for this. So let me explain. Originally, our I, which is this one, originally was a zero index based as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As we all know, the 0 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3, and so on and so forth. So if we are JavaScript, we would read this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And so that would work. However, we changed our value of our I to 1 to make it 1 based index, so that we would no longer mentally think of 0 as to 1, 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3. So that would mean we would start the value from 1. Okay, we now can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. However, our count is 8, as you can see here. So our condition, initialization rather, starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the condition should be less than 8, as it says here, I is less than count. Therefore, it only iterates until 7. So we have to modify this operator to less than or equal to count, so that we would at least include 8. Do you get it? Let's hope you get that one. So nice.